How much does a revocable trust cost? If you are considering setting up a revocable trust, you might be asking yourself, how much does it actually cost? Understanding the expenses involved can help you make informed decisions about your estate planning. A revocable trust, also known as a living trust, is a legal document that allows you to manage and distribute your assets during your lifetime and after your death. It offers flexibility since you can modify or terminate it whenever you want. The cost of creating a revocable trust can vary widely based on several factors. One major factor is the complexity of your estate. If you have multiple properties, complex financial situations, or assets in different states, the cost may be higher. Simpler estates tend to have lower setup costs. Another important factor is your location. Legal fees and requirements can differ from state to state, which can affect the overall cost of establishing a trust. For instance, in some areas, attorney fees may be higher due to demand or cost of living. Now, let's talk about the costs you might expect. For a simple revocable living trust, you could be looking at a range from $1,500 to $4,000. However, if your estate is more complex, the costs can escalate to between $4,000 and $10,000 or even more. If you prefer to handle things on your own, there are do-it-yourself options available. These can start as low as $400, but keep in mind that this may not include legal review or compliance assurance. It's also essential to consider maintenance costs. Generally, revocable trusts do not incur significant ongoing expenses unless you hire professionals for management or updates. If you need to make changes, like adding new assets or updating beneficiaries, additional legal fees may apply. While revocable trusts are not typically used for estate tax planning, they can help manage your assets efficiently. They do not shield assets from estate taxes, but they ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes after your death. For effective estate tax planning, other types of trusts, such as irrevocable trusts, may be more beneficial as they can help reduce estate taxes by removing assets from your estate. In the context of elder law and estate law, revocable trusts are a common tool. They help ensure your assets are protected and distributed as you intend while avoiding the often lengthy probate process. Understanding the costs associated with setting up a revocable trust is a vital step in your estate planning journey.